So let's begin. MAP map, MAP map, CAP cap, TAP tap, LAP lap. MAP map, CAP cap, TAP tap, LAP lap. So this is a map, this is a tap, this is a cap. SEAC, TEAT, SEAC, TEAT. CRY cry, TRY try, FRY fry, DRY dry. CRY cry, TRY try, FRY fry, DRY dry. BIG big, DIG dig, BIG big, DIG dig. PEN pen, HEN hen, PEN pen, HEN hen. This is a pen which we use to write, and this is a hen from whom we get X. So PEN pen, HEN hen.